Here we go. My YouTube fans, friends, and family. It's your boy Ed Murray Mini Motors. Back out here with another one. Got the carburetor off here on part 2. Update for the 110. The carburetor clean. As you can see on some of these, they have rivets put in instead of screws. So most people can't get them out and get them cleaned, which is a problem because you can't get these out of here. What I'm going to do is take my cutting wheel and I will cut a line in here. Use a screwdriver to screw that out myself. And then I'll probably put regular screws in here that I have laying around here. Yeah, I mean, the good thing about it is the carburetor is probably like 30, 40 bucks maybe. Amazon, eBay. But if you can get these screws out and clean it, won't cost you nothing. So instead of getting a whole new carburetor, I'm going to take these out, put some right ones in, so this can be accessed in the future. Maybe next summer after this thing probably sits in the winter or something again. You never know. If it comes back to me again, it'll be easy access for me or for the customer themselves or a future mechanic that works on it. You guys stay tuned. Try to get these grinded out. Show you real quick when I get done. And, we'll be back. Alright. You can see now. Try to get this thing to focus for you. Come on. Anyway, I got a groove cut in here. There you go. So, and now I can get my screwdriver in here. Twist that back out. Get this apart. Same for the other side. Let me get to the part and show you what's going on. Alright, we're back here. We got the top off. Screws out. We're going to get these here jets cleaned out in here. The main and the pilot. Get it all cleaned out, blowed out, sprayed up, cleaner, and with the air hose, put it back together. See if this thing starts up and runs right. Still got the battery down here charging. Be looking good. Yeah, we're getting up there. I like it. Now stay tuned. Get this thing cleaned up, put back together. Get to put it back on. Mount it up in there. That's the throttle right there. And we get it mounted back up into there. Stay tuned. Hopefully she's back together, up and running. Another sweet bike. Making some sweet music, baby. Stay tuned. We almost there. Alright. Swapped out the bolts. Got ourselves fresh 4-ways in there now. 4-way on the other side instead of these here that I had to grind out rivets. Try to get some other matches close to, but they didn't work out. But what we got is good. So we'll put her back together. Get the intake Cover for it right there. Throw this thing back together on there. See if she starts. Stay tuned, guys. All right, we back. Got the battery charged up a bit. Carburetor hooked back up. As you can see. Also, I took the old carburetor out. I mean, not the old carburetor, the old spark plug. Come on, focus. There you go. Put in a new one. Put a new spark plug in. This one looks pretty beat. See what happens. Key on. Lights is working. Kill switch on. Put a little bungee cord on there to hold it on for the safety, so I don't gotta do it with two hands. We will come down here, turn the choke on, lift it up. Make sure the gas is on. Yep. Start button, see what happens. Uh-oh. Okay, she's starting to start up. We'll lower the choke a little bit. Take the choke all the way off. See what that does. Give it a little gas. Come on, baby.